Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here it is, folks, kicking off the day, sorting out what I need to take with me back to Cincinnati and squeeze it in lemonade over there. However, they just dropped the 850 in the salvage yard. Need to go see if that thing is a manual and get a couple of parts off of it real quick. Get back here and finish up my sorting and packing. Distractions. Here I am in the happiest place on earth, picking up some clips for Willie Gilly's car. And I'm going to check this new 850 in here and get it done, get out of here. Really is missing these clips that go along this cowl here. I think you push a push pin in and pull them out. I see a push pin in that one, so I'm going to take those out across. It looks like there's 3 of them here. There's also missing a little nut that holds this wire harness or the air box against this frame of the car, but I think the same ones that go in the wheel skirts inside there on the S70s will fit on that, so I think I have a couple of those. To get these clips out, I push a tiny screwdriver in there, the top, to get it started down in the hole. However, when you look underneath, the pin is already hanging under there, so I grabbed it with a pair of pliers and pulled it down through there. Once I pulled the pin out, I was careful not to drop it. Then you stick something under here and you pull it out like that. Now when you go to install them, you got to do this. You take that pin, you set it in the hole, push it down about 1/4 of an inch, like so. Then you take this, you push it down in there so that it's all the way in, and then you grab something and you push this in the rest of the way that spreads out the bottom, holds that piece of trim in place. So that's how you do with these push pins. Got this, I guess it's a black 850. Man, it'd be nice to take some doors and fenders off this thing because I need every gosh dang thing black. Anyway, I'm going to take this rear door latch back here, take the block off plate, maybe a couple speakers, I doubt those will be any good, and see what else this thing has that I gotta have. Let me get cracking. Door latch. Got the door latch. I got the oil block off plate for those of you that need those. This car doesn't look half bad. I mean, the paint's shot, but it looked like it had some maintenance from time to time. Let me get out of here because I ain't got no time for messing around. Oh, wow. A cute 2004 S40. First generation. Ned car. I think this is purple. It's got a rear wing on the back. Roof racks on the top. Looked like it was a decent car. Till somebody hit it and ruined it for the owner. Because that'll total it out right there. Let's get out of here. Time for lunch and packing. I have the toolie up here, probably overfilled. When you see that edge of the lower, it's not all the way closed. But I got it latched, so it should be okay. The front was dripping open because I had too much weight up front, so I had to empty that out and put very light things up there so that that nose wouldn't dip. Looks like the thing moved forward a little bit. It's now touching my sunroof. It wasn't touching my sunroof before. I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm going to lower this sunroof. Well, this side is still not touching it. The other side is though. So let me lower the sunroof, stop that from touching it. Get ready to load up the back. I was sorting out my tools so I could make sure I take tools I needed back to Cincinnati. I'm going to take a few other essential things I need, and then I'm going to put as much as I can in there, put the rest of the stuff in Panther, hit the road in the morning. Here I am with tools on top of tools. Just about all of my hand tools. Probably got 90% of my tools here. I'm taking as much as I can back to Cincinnati. I'm going to leave what I hope to be a full competent set here, minus a few tools. And I'm taking a picture of this box I'm going to leave here, so that before I come back, I can bring back what I need. And I'll probably ship it back so I don't have to pay baggage on it. But it's going to be in Panther. Yes, I got to fly back to pick up Panther. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.